Let me be straight with you. Most people are using ChatGPT and nothing else. They're leaving 4 incredible free AI tools on the table, tools that can save you 2 hours every single day. Today, I'm going to show you all 5. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ones to use and when. Let's go. Tool number 1 is Perplexity. Think of it as Google search, but powered by AI. Instead of a list of blue links, you get a direct cited answer, and the sources are right there, clickable, so you can verify everything. Here's where it beats Google dead hands. It reads every source for you. You ask a complex question, Perplexity scans dozens of articles, papers, and posts, then synthesizes an answer in seconds. What's the free tier like? Unrestricted. No paywall, no limits on the number of queries. You can use it right now, no account needed for basic searches. The Pro Search costs $20 a month and gives you access to GPT-4 and Claude 3 Sonnet. But honestly, the free version is so good that most people will never need to pay. Use it for research, fact-checking, understanding new topics fast, and replacing Google for anything remotely complex. Tool number 2 is Claude from Anthropic. This is the AI I personally use the most, and I have good reason. Claude has a 100,000 token context window. That's roughly 75,000 words in one conversation. You can drop an entire book into Claude and have a real discussion about it. No other free AI comes close to that. It is exceptional at long-form writing. Articles, emails, reports, scripts. If it involves words, Claude handles it with a clarity that most humans cannot match. The free tier gives you a solid number of messages per day. That's more than enough for daily use. And here's the thing that surprises people. Claude remembers your projects across sessions. You can have an ongoing conversation about a book you're writing, a course you're planning, or a business you're building. It just works. Use it for writing, brainstorming, coding, learning, and any deep thinking work. Tool 3 is Google Gemini. I know what you're thinking. Google's had a rough run with AI products. But Gemini is genuinely good, and it's completely free. What makes it special is the Google integration. It connects directly to your Gmail, your Google Drive, your calendar. You can ask it to summarize your emails from the last week, find a document you vaguely remember, or check your schedule for conflicts before a big meeting. It's also the best option if you want to generate images. The image generation is built-in, free, and surprisingly capable. You don't need Midjourney or DALL-E. Gemini does it inline in the conversation. And because it's Google, it's probably already in your ecosystem. Zero setup friction. Use it for image generation, email management, research with web access, and anyone already using Google Workspace. Tool 4 is Gamma. This is the one that surprises people the most, because it solves a problem most of us didn't realize we had. Making a presentation takes forever. Slides are tedious. Gamma solves this by using AI to generate entire presentations from a single prompt. You type what you want to present, maybe a product pitch, a lesson plan, a team update, and Gamma builds the slides. The design looks professional. Not generic PowerPoint professional, actually good. The free tier gives you a decent number of credits per month. You can make several presentations from those alone. Here's the real secret. Teachers use Gamma for lesson plans. Marketers use it for pitch decks. Students use it for thesis defenses. It handles all of it. Use it for presentations, pitch decks, lesson plans, visual reports, anything where looks matter. And the 5th tool is Notion AI. You've probably heard of Notion, the all-in-one workspace, but the AI feature inside Notion is criminally underrated. It writes, summarizes, drafts, and edits inside your existing notes. You already have notes, documents, wikis, project plans. Notion AI sits right in that structure and makes everything faster. The free tier includes a set number of AI credits per month. That's enough to get real value. Writing assistance on a document, summarizing a meeting note, generating an action list from a brainstorm. The real power is that it knows your notes. You can ask it to find action items across all your pages, or summarize everything that happened in your team last week, or write a first draft of a project brief based on your existing documentation. Use it for note-taking, project management, document drafting, and team wikis supercharged with AI. Those are my 5. Perplexity for search, Claude for deep thinking, Gemini for Google Power users and image generation, Gamma for presentations that don't look like presentations, and Notion AI for turning your notes into a second brain. Try them all. Pick the two that fit your workflow. That's all it takes to reclaim a couple of hours every week. If this was useful, subscribe. Every week, I break down the best AI tools and show you exactly how to use them. See you in the next one.